Here are some amazing facts about the Great Kiskadee. Scientific name: the Great Kiskadee's scientific name is Pitangus sulphuratus. Family: it belongs to the Tyrannidae family, also known as the tyrant flycatchers. Common name origin: the name Kiskadee is an onomatopoeic representation of its call, which sounds like kis-ka-dee. Appearance: Great Kiskadees have bright yellow underparts, a black head with a white eye stripe, and a brownish back. Size: they are medium-sized birds, typically around 22 centimeters (8.7 inches) in length. Weight: they usually weigh between 50 to 60 grams. Geographical range: the Great Kiskadee is found from southern Texas and Mexico down through Central America to Argentina. Habitat: they thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, open woodlands, savannas, and urban areas. Diet: they are omnivorous, feeding on insects, fruits, small vertebrates, and even fish. Hunting technique: Kiskadees often catch insects in flight or pounce on them from a perch. Fish eating: they are known to dive into the water to catch small fish, a behavior unusual for flycatchers. Vocalization: besides their famous kis-ka-dee call, they produce various other sounds, including chirps and rattles. Nesting: Great Kiskadees build bulky nests out of sticks, usually placed in trees or shrubs. Breeding: they are monogamous and typically have 2 to 4 eggs per clutch. Eggs: the eggs are white with brown or purple markings. Incubation: both parents participate in incubating the eggs, which takes about 17 to 18 days. Fledging: chicks fledge about 18 to 20 days after hatching. Lifespan: they can live up to 6 to 10 years in the wild. Territorial behavior: Great Kiskadees are highly territorial and will defend their area vigorously. Aggression: they are known to chase away larger birds, such as hawks, from their territory. Mimicry: they can mimic the calls of other bird species. Noisy birds: their loud and persistent calls make them easy to locate. Resident birds: they are non-migratory and stay in their range year-round. Adaptability: Great Kiskadees are highly adaptable and can live in urban environments. Symbolism: in some cultures, they are considered symbols of energy and vitality. Cultural significance: in Brazil, they are known as Bame-te-6, meaning I saw you well. Intelligence: they exhibit problem-solving abilities, such as using tools to access food. Predators: their main predators include snakes, raptors, and larger mammals. Defense mechanism: they often mob predators in groups to drive them away. Longevity in captivity: they can live longer in captivity, up to 15 years or more. Flight pattern: their flight is strong and direct, with quick wing beats. Social structure: while they are often seen in pairs, they may also form small flocks. Related species: the boat-billed flycatcher Megaranchus pitangua is closely related to the Great Kiskadee. Subspecies: there are several recognized subspecies, varying slightly in size and coloration. Eye color: their eyes are dark brown or black. Feet and legs: their legs and feet are black or dark gray. Molding: they undergo a complete mold once a year, usually after breeding season. Juvenile appearance: young birds resemble adults but have duller plumage. Threat display: when threatened, they raise their crest and fluff their feathers to appear larger. Sunbathing: they are sometimes seen sunbathing with wings spread, possibly to control parasites. Courtship: males display to females by singing and performing aerial displays. Range expansion: they have expanded their range northward in recent decades. Urbanization: they adapt well to urban environments, often nesting in parks and gardens. Courageous birds: they are known for their boldness, often approaching humans and animals without fear. Migration, while mostly resident, some populations may move short distances seasonally. Communication, besides vocalizations, they use visual signals like wing flicking for communication. Feather maintenance, they spend considerable time preening to keep their feathers in good condition. Insect control, they help control insect populations, making them beneficial to agriculture. Breeding season, the breeding season varies by region but generally occurs during the rainy season. Social learning, they can learn behaviors from observing other birds. Pair bonds, strong pair bonds are formed between mates, often lasting for life. Roosting habits, they usually roost in trees or dense foliage at night. Energy conservation, during hot days, they may reduce activity to conserve energy. Interspecies interaction, they may occasionally engage in cooperative feeding with other bird species. Wingspan, their wingspan typically ranges from 35 to 40 centimeters. Unique song, each Kiskadee's song has subtle variations, making it unique to the individual. Adaptation to flooding, in flood-prone areas, they adapt by nesting higher to avoid water. Dietary flexibility, they can switch diets based on food availability, showing great dietary flexibility. Rain behavior, during heavy rain, they may seek shelter but continue feeding in light showers. Global warming impact, climate change may affect their range and food sources. Water drinking, they often drink by dipping their bills in water while in flight. Interaction with humans, they sometimes follow humans to catch insects disturbed by movement. Roosting sites, they may return to the same roosting site for several nights in a row. Breeding success, their breeding success is higher in areas with abundant food. Chick survival, parental care is crucial for chick survival, especially in the